Hello and welcome to Lloyd South Lakes BMW. Today we have this 220i M Sport Coupe. This is an August 2020 registered car. This car is finished off in black sapphire metallic. Got the lovely 19-inch M double spoke alloy wheel, that bi-coloured finish. It's that lovely jet black gloss inlay, that diamond cut front face. Really sets those wheels off lovely, ties in with the paintwork very nicely. Moving around to the rear of the car, obviously the fantastic coupe looks. We do have a semi-practical boot space as well, even just looking for much from the outside. Underneath the roundel badge, lock lever. So it is a nice deep boot capacity there. Handy split folding seats there, and they can also be activated from these handy levers here on the left and right hand side. It's very easy to drop down that boot. A little bit of extra storage underneath the rear compartment here with batteries stored. Any items you need to stow away. Obviously the 20i, beautiful inline 4-cylinder, 2-litre turbocharged engine. This particular car's also got the 8-speed ZF sports optical gearbox. It's a fantastic pairing. Paddles on the steering wheel as well. You can take manual control. And this vehicle does have the updated backlit LCD display, ID6 lifetime navigational system. Choose on clamp control on the front, heated front seats. Beautiful black Dakota leather as well running throughout those seats. And obviously the M Sport seats in the front. Loads of adjustment to get a very comfortable driving position with those. And that runs through the rear as well, black Dakota leather. A nice true 4-seater, so some usable seats in the back. And usual BMW refinements inside. If you'd like a more detailed video of this car or any more information, please do get in contact. And one of our sales executives will be more than happy to help.